Hi sir, this is Oliver from Webmetros. I would like to show you the difference between a Headway child theme and a Headway skin, because there is a notable difference, and I believe that Headway skins are the way forward. Headway skins was introduced in Headway version 3.4, I think. It was a very welcome addition, and I was a happy beta tester. And I must say, even in the beta stage, it worked really well and bug free. So thumbs up to Clay Griffiths from Headway Themes, the lead developer, for creating such a nice framework overall with Headway. Anyway, this is my own child theme for Headway that you can download for free at my blog. I created it to create a great starting point for people who want to make a Headway child theme themselves. So I figured I would go a little crazy with the background coloring and such. It's actually a tribute to Ron Paul, the Libertarian presidential candidate in the U.S. elections. I believe a lot in personal freedom, so that's why it's called Liberty. And then it's a play with words. It's the child theme that wants to be free. So free has a double meaning here, being that the theme is free and liberty, free. Anyway, this is a child theme, and it's built as a regular WordPress child theme. It contains of some CSS, and it's actually this CSS that defines how the child theme looks. Without this CSS, it is totally blank. Just looks like unstyled HTML. You can use some of Headway's basic styling in a child theme, and you can keep the visual editor active. But for that child theme, I decided to go all naked and remove the design editor, disable it, and also disable Headway's own, basic CSS. So everything, even the drop down menus, have been styled from the ground up in the CSS style CSS file. So far so good. What's a Headway skin then? It's a totally different approach. The problem with child themes is that as an end user, if you don't know how to code CSS, you would download this child theme and you would be like, well, I don't like this background, and I would like a different font, and I would like some more spacing between the headers and blah blah blah. And then you would be like, how the hell do I accomplish that? Because I'm not a CSS coder. So Headway Skins solves that problem, because in Headway 3.4 the skins feature was introduced, and this is a site I'm working on right now, which is 100% skin based. So I'm only using the design editor here in Headway, and let's look at the blog index page, and I'll show you what it's all about. You have the design editor in Headway, and that's super wonderful to work with, because you don't have to use Firebug to target elements on the page. You just click on the header, and then Headway figures out, hey, you are wanting to style the header or the title, and then I can change the font, and I can change the font size, and blah blah blah, and even put on a background should I wish to do so. Like this would be horrible, but but it's possible. And practically for every element of your page, you can choose, background, font color, box shadow, text shadow. You can nudge elements, so you could essentially even offset this if you should wish to do so. Let's try. Like this. And of course put in a negative figure. So what I'm trying to show you with that is that Headway is really, really flexible. A lot of themes and even premium themes have built-in design controls, but I really haven't found any theme or theme framework for WordPress that is as comprehensive as Headway. And what's good about Headway is that they accomplish it in a very user-friendly manner, because this is a nice hierarchy to navigate with. You know, you have the content, and you can have your widget areas, and you can style the widget title and the widget links, and you can style your gravity forms and the navigations, menu items, sub-menu items, and even hover states and everything. So it doesn't get unwieldy or unwieldy, or how you pronounce it. It's very user friendly. Of course, you will need to write a little bit custom CSS, but in Headway's case, it is very, very, very little CSS that you have to write. So when you do that, there is something that's really, really cool about Headway. There's so much that's cool about Headway. Let's just skip that and enter the front page for me to show you what I usually use the custom CSS for, and that's for sign-up forms for MailChimp and Send Billing and Campaign Monitor, because it's custom code, and of course Headway can't style that because it doesn't know what the classes are and so on. Which reminds me of something else that really will save you time with Headway. Just to go off on a tangent here. That's with Headway, and when you use the visual editor, you don't have to use Firebug really. Firebug is something that works very similarly to this feature in my CSS editor, where if you just bring it in here, where I can see which page elements I can target here. So in order to target the menu, I would have to write this in my style sheet, and then I could target the navigation. In Headway, you don't have to spend time with Firebug. You can just click on the navigation, and then it's selected, and then you can style your navigation, and you can even see what is the specific class for this particular element that you're clicking on, and you can just copy and paste it if you should wish to do so, and then you can go into the live CSS editor. And that brings me back to what I wanted to show you, because it has live preview. It works in real time, and that's something that even Panic, the Coda from Panic, the popular code editor for Mac, can't accomplish. It's something we know from CSS Edit and Espresso, two other great apps on the Mac, and it's so cool because this input submit button, which is this one, we can simply make it black, and then the text goes black. Sorry, my computer is a little bit slow right now. So we can even make it an ugly pink. Boom, boom. And we could even choose to make it an ugly pink as well. And as you can see, it updates instantly. So I could also change the margin below the paragraph text here. I can increase the line height and so on. So that makes it very easy to work with Headway. To wrap it all up, with all this, I create a website that basically looks pretty nice. You can see I'm not done with it yet, so it's still a work in progress. But as you can see, it's very clean, and it's all done in Headway with very little custom CSS, and I'm actually using more custom CSS on this side than I would usually do, but it's something you can totally live without. It's just because I'm a perfectionist and web designer, so this is the way I work. But you can then export the skin. So I can export this, download the skin file, boom, and then I can hand it over to you, and you can go to Headway, import it, and then boom, you would have all this. You would have all the design settings. You would have your menus would look like this in the background and blah blah blah. You would still have to place your blocks and page elements on the grid, but that's as easy as scratching your own ass. So it basically gives you a super flexible theme, because in Headway you can just lay out everything as you want. This is a standard sidebar. If I want that sidebar to be on the right, there's no coding required. This is all that's required. I press save, and then the sidebar is on the right. I can also put it below the content and blah blah blah. So this is the difference between Headway skins and Headway chart themes, and I hope you've enjoyed watching along. I hope it was comprehensible, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I'm here for the same reason. So have a nice day, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.